Womp, womp, womp. This thing has been working like a champ for me for like a year and a half, right? I've had this problem before where I turn it over to the side to fill up with gas and then I can't start it again, so kind of that's where I'm at right now. All right, it could be the air filter because I never changed that, the spark plug because I never changed that, but since it was going like a champ, I'm gonna put this in the carburetor to see if there's any fluids in the carburetor that is like over wet in there, so then this way I could dry out the carburetor some. I know it's not recommended to put stuff in there, but if it is flooded, that's what I'm trying to get out. If I put the air filter on and it dies out, it's the air filter. These go in your pocket, not biodegradable. It's on. I'm gonna cut that, see where we go from there. It needs another air filter. All right, now you see we got some chain hang there. So these two got to be loosened up a little bit. You just loosen these up a little bit and clean off this screw because it's hot. This is how you're going to tighten up the chain hang. Let's see if I can get it right. Man, this thing is piping hot. Loosen those up. Clean this screw out right here. That's how you tighten up the chain hang, righty tighty. And of course, after today, this is gonna get another sharpening. I'm almost done. My main goal was to get that one out of here and that one out of here. I'm probably gonna head to this one next, but you see I've been propping it up with the crowbar and cutting it. So this is all I got cut down with the Vevor.